Hey Power BI users! Power BI July 2026 updates have arrived. This month's release introduces new improvements across reporting, semantic modeling, mobile experiences, and data visualizations. Here's a quick look at the features you should know. Reporting. Create consistent reports faster. Preview. Customize report-wide visual defaults directly from the Format pane with the enhanced Modern Visual Defaults experience. Apply themes, color palettes, page formatting, and visual styling across your entire report. Then export your custom theme for reuse across your organization. Modeling. Manage model settings in Power BI Service. Model options are now available in Power BI Service, allowing you to configure important semantic model settings without switching to Power BI Desktop. This streamlines web modeling and keeps key model configurations in one centralized experience. Mobile. Personalized org apps on mobile. Power BI mobile apps now support org app audiences, delivering role-based content to users on iOS and Android. Teams can access the reports and dashboards most relevant to them, while organizations continue managing everything from a single governed app. Visualization. Explore data with Drill Down Scatter Pro. The new Drill Down Scatter Pro by Zoom Charts visual makes scatter chart analysis more interactive with hierarchical drill down, zooming, panning, regression lines, and advanced selection tools. It's designed to help users uncover trends and insights faster while offering extensive formatting options for customized reports. Which update are you most excited to try? Stay tuned for more Power BI updates.